My name is Mrs. Young. I like to make videos to teach you new things and to help you remember the things you already know. I'm glad you're here today.
Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope you are all doing great. Today is Tuesday, January 6th in the year 2026. So, guys, the last time that we had our lesson and our video, the year was 2025 and the month was December. But if we look at our calendar, we got a whole new calendar. We just didn't flip the page. Got a whole new one because we have a new month, which is January, and a whole new year, which is 2026. So today is Tuesday, January 6th in the year 2026. Now, for holidays this month, we had New Year's Day, which was on January 1st, and a lot of people were off from school and work on that day. And then January 19th is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and that is a day that we remember Dr. Martin Luther King, who was a civil rights leader in our country, who taught that everybody should be treated equally, and he fought for those rights. Peacefully, though. Peacefully, he fought for those rights. Now, we have some other things going on in January, too. In the town that I live in, which is Tampa, we have Gasparilla, and that's a time when the pirates invade our city, and we have lots of celebrations and parades and fun things to do that all have to do with a pirate theme. We also hear a lot about New Year's resolutions at this time of year, and that means that people try to think of something that they want to do better or they want to do differently in the new year. So do you guys have any new goals or new things that you want to try or new things that you want to do better this year? And then we have Braille Literacy Month, which is a month where we encourage people who are blind and visually impaired to learn how to read Braille, which is the raised dots that people who can't see, they read it with their fingers. It is also National Soup Month, and on January 11th through the 17th, it is a special week, and I'm going to talk about that in just a second. But before I do, let's talk about birthdays. In January, I have a very, very special one and only friend named Jimmy at Brewster Technical College, who is having a birthday in January. And so is Michael, John, William, Adrian, Brandon, and Jackie from DQC. So guys, happy birthday! I hope you all have wonderful birthdays this month. Now, back to the other thing that's happening this month. On January 11th through the 17th, it is National Pizza Week. And I figured that pretty much everybody that watches these videos likes pizza. I know I do. And that is what our video is going to be about today. Okay, guys, are you ready? Let's learn a little bit about pizza. Here we go.
Pizza, as we know it today, started a long time ago in a city called Naples in the country of Italy. Today, millions of people all around the world enjoy pizza, and it is the most popular food in America. Making a pizza is a lot of fun. It all starts with the dough, which is made by mixing flour, water, salt, and a special ingredient called yeast. Yeast is what makes the dough rise and turn fluffy instead of hard like a cracker. After mixing, the dough is kneaded by hand and stretched out into a big circle. Sometimes chefs even toss it high into the air to spin it. Next comes a layer of red tomato sauce, followed by a handful of mozzarella cheese. People love adding all sorts of toppings, but pepperoni is the #1 favorite in the United States. Other favorites include sausage, mushrooms, onions, bacon, black olives, green peppers, extra cheese, and even pineapple. Finally, the pizza bakes in a very hot oven until the cheese is gooey and the crust turns golden brown. Different places in America have their own styles of pizza. In New York City, the slices are big and thin, perfect for folding and eating on the go. In Chicago, pizzas are thick and deep dish filled with lots of cheese and sauce. Whether you like it thin and crispy or thick and cheesy, there is a perfect slice for everyone.
Okay, guys, I hope you learned a little bit about pizza today. It is fun to make and it is fun to eat. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to the new year. I'm sure it is very cold in many places. In Florida here, it's not that cold, but I hope everybody is staying warm. I hope everybody has a great day. I hope everybody has a wonderful week, a marvelous month, and I will see you next month. What comes after January? We're at the beginning of the year now, so it's pretty easy. January, February. Yes, I will see you next month in February. Bye.